Hello everyone, welcome all of you to Akshita classes. Today we will do dictation of Kailash Chandra's volume 2, transcription number 35, part 1, whose speed will be 100 words per minute. Your dictation will start in next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I welcome the budget proposals for the year 1982-83, which are all comprehensive and which embrace most of the development plans that we have envisaged for the establishment of a socialistic society in this country. In spite of the taxation and the introduction of fresh duties, we find that the finance minister has succeeded in disturbing only a microscopic section of the people of this country to extract sufficient funds for our schemes. The finance minister has also succeeded in finding funds for almost all the development plans of this country, which will add to our good. While we discuss the general aspects of the budget, we will have to consider the activities of most of the sections that are now covered in the budget. Even though the provisions are there, I think, sir, the expenditure on some of the activities envisaged in this budget should be subjected to a thorough scrutiny. In this respect, sir, I wish to bring to the notice of this House the special feature of the educational system of this country. Some of the members have mentioned something about the educational system of this country, have remarked that the allocation of funds is not adequate and that the provision should be revised according to the needs of this country. As the honorable member was speaking in Hindi, I did not thoroughly understand what he meant, but still, sir, the educational system has created a sort of confusion in our country over the last 15 years, and every now and then we had been changing the schemes and plans for educating our children, and various states have adopted different schemes which have actually created a feeling of disintegration among the people of this country. In some of the states, they have switched on to the regional language as the medium of introduction, and in some states they think that English should be retained as the medium of instruction, but the people believe that the medium of instruction should be Hindi. That is the national language of our country. But, sir, the time is not yet ripe for us to switch on to Hindi. So, as and when we find it feasible, we may switch on to our national language, but till that time we will keep English as the medium of instruction in all educational institutions. Dictation has completed. Like the video and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.